Okay, guys.
No.
So this is a part 2,
Shut the freak up. Ouch.
which is
What's
happening.
that?
So this is
You're
still.
ugly. You're ugly, Sammy. Hope you die.
Anyways, this is still Jandel versus Sammy, or I would call her Scammy because I hate Scammy. Anyways, this is part 2. Oh my gosh, what's happening to
Oh my
Mom?
god. Haha. Haha, you ugly
You're,
brain rot. That from Temu.
you're, yeah, my friend is flying right now. Say hi, Blake.
Hi. Mother Breaker. Mother Breaker.
And anyways, I'm gonna
The
tell
one
you
who
guys.
playing still a brain rot is a loser. Is a loser.
Anyways, I'm going to tell you guys a secret. He is actually the YouTuber, Ash. So that means this is his face reveal.
Stop. I already faced reborn.
How?
Wow, didn't you? Ah!
You almost fell down. Oh, now you fell. Try yourself.
No, this is a chaos.
Now, it will be this part 2. So, like, see you guys again. Bye.
Part 3 soon.
Yeah, part 3 soon. Bye.